Your trailer tire could be losing pressure right now, and you wouldn't even know it until it's too late. A blowout at highway speeds? That's not just expensive, it's downright dangerous. That's why a quality TPMS system isn't optional anymore, folks. It's essential. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best TPMS sensors that'll give you real peace of mind on every single trip. Links to all these products are down in the description box below, so make sure to check those out. Let's jump in. Number 1. GUTA Trailer TPMS 10 Sensors. GUTA gives you incredible expandability. It comes in packages from 4 sensors all the way up to 12, and you can monitor up to 24 tires total. That means if you've got multiple trailers or a big RV setup, this system grows with you. The pressure range is absolutely massive, 0 to 188 psi, which handles everything from light trailers to heavy-duty commercial applications. What really sets this apart? Everything comes pre-paired at the factory. Each sensor is labeled, so you're not fumbling around trying to sync them. Just screw them on and you're monitoring within minutes. The large color display shows all your tire data at once, and it includes a signal booster right in the box, which is crucial for longer trailers. Most models in this price range make you buy that separately. You're getting dual charging with solar and USB-C, 6 advanced alarm modes including rapid deflation alerts, and those CR2032 batteries. They last 3 to 4 years. Users on RV forums consistently praise how easy the setup is. One guy said he had his 10-sensor system running in under 5 minutes. Now, here's the one thing to consider. While the system is expandable, if you only need 4 to 6 sensors right now and won't expand later, you might be paying for features you won't use. But honestly, for the price difference, having that expandability is just smart planning. This typically runs between $150 and $400 depending on how many sensors you choose, and that's still about half what premium brands charge. Check the link in the description for current pricing. Coming in at number 2 is the LETOURWM M12-3 RV TPMS sensors. Picture this, you're cruising down the interstate and instead of having to glance at a screen, you hear a clear voice saying, "Low pressure detected, front left tire." That's huge for safety because your eyes stay on the road. The system monitors up to 6 tires and covers 0 to 144 psi, which handles most RV and trailer setups perfectly. The display automatically adjusts brightness based on ambient light, so whether you're driving through a tunnel or in bright sunshine, you've got perfect visibility. It's also got an IP67 weatherproof rating, meaning it can handle dust, rain, snow, basically anything you'll encounter on the road. Installation is literally 2 minutes. Just screw the external sensors onto your valve stems. You're getting dual charging with solar and USB-C, 6 advanced alarm modes including rapid deflation alerts, and those CR2032 batteries. They last 3 to 4 years. Users on RV forums love this thing. One person used a similar 6-sensor setup for 18 months straight without a single issue. The consideration here is it's fixed at 6 sensors, no expandability. So if you've got more than 6 tires to monitor, this won't work. But for 6 tire configurations, especially if you value those voice alerts, this is unbeatable. You'll find this in the $150 to $250 range typically. Again, check that description box for the Amazon link. At number 3, we've got the Tymate TM2 RV TPMS sensors. For under $100, you're getting 4 sensors with the ability to expand up to 10 if you need more later. The newly updated color LCD display is vibrant and clear, with adaptive backlighting that automatically adjusts for day or night driving. It's got triple charging options, solar, USB, or cigarette lighter, so you've got flexibility in how you power it. The pressure range goes from 0 to 87 psi, with about 3 psi of accuracy, which is solid for most trailer applications. You're getting 6 alarm modes, including fast leak detection and temperature warnings, and the sensors are IP67 waterproof. Forest River Forum users reported it works great, with accuracy matching their manual tire gauges, which is exactly what you want to hear. The sensors run on CR1632 batteries lasting 6 months to 2 years, and everything comes pre-paired from the factory. Setup takes about 5 minutes, and one user completed a 2,500-mile trip with 0 issues, getting warned when one tire went low. Here's what you need to know though. That 87 psi maximum means if your trailer tires run at 80 or above, you're cutting it close. Most travel trailer tires run 50 to 65 psi, so you're fine, but check your specific tire requirements. Also, for trailers longer than about 25 feet, Tymate recommends adding their RP05 repeater, which is sold separately. For the price, usually between $80 and $100, this is phenomenal value for smaller setups. Links in the description.
Number 4 is the VEVOR RV TPMS 6 sensor. VEVOR covers 7.3 to 116 psi, which is higher than most budget options, making it great if you've got heavier-duty trailer tires. The big selling point here? That signal booster comes in the box, giving you 98 feet of range. If you've got a 30-foot or longer trailer, this is crucial because basic systems will drop signal. The high-definition display shows temperature and pressure simultaneously with excellent day and night visibility. You're getting solar and USB charging, 5 alarm modes, and waterproof sensors that handle any weather. The sensors are external cap style, so installation is super straightforward, no tire removal needed. One user took this on a 1,400-mile trip with a 30-foot trailer and said it worked flawlessly with the repeater positioned properly. They actually modified a plug at the hitch to mount the repeater with a visible LED indicator, and it performed exactly as it should. The downside, it's fixed at 6 sensors with no expandability, and users mentioned the temperature maximum alert isn't adjustable, which some find limiting. But for 6-tire setups on longer trailers, especially at this price point, you're getting excellent value. This typically runs $150 to $300. Check the description for current deals. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the Tymate TM7 TPMS sensors. What makes this unique? It powers through your cigarette lighter socket. No solar panel, no internal battery to worry about. Just plug it in and go. Even better, it's got dual USB charging ports built in, so you can charge your phone or tablet while monitoring your tires. That's legitimately useful on long trips. The compact color display is only about 3 inches, perfect for smaller vehicles where dash space is limited. It monitors 4 tires from 0 to 87 psi with impressive accuracy of plus or minus 1.5 psi. You're getting 6 alarm modes, adjustable backlight for any lighting condition, and a 36-foot range that works great for cars, vans, SUVs, and shorter trailers. Setup takes about 5 minutes, and forum users love how straightforward it is. One person picked this up for around $40 and plugged it into their van cigarette receptacle to monitor trailer tires. Another grabbed it with a coupon for just $33. The consideration is that it requires constant power from the cigarette lighter. There's no internal battery, and it's limited to 4 sensors with no expansion. Also, that 87 psi cap means you need to verify your tire pressure requirements. And like any TPMS, it monitors pressure changes over time, not instantaneous punctures. But for older vehicles without factory TPMS, or if you just want the simplest, most affordable option with bonus USB charging, this is perfect. Usually runs $35 to $50. If this helped you make a smarter choice, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Thanks for watching. Safe travels out there.